What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this Purple Glam eyeshadow look using the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette. Yes, ladies, I got the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette, and see what this palette did. It is so beautiful. It's how I created this nice little purple shimmery glam look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, we're about to get started, and I'm going to be using the Mini Breaker palette by Jeffree Star. The first color I'm going to be going into is Foreplay, and I'm going to be putting that all over my crease and just be blending that out, ladies. I really like the Jeffree Star brushes. I'm using the JS5 from his first collection, and these shadows are blending out just beautifully. Sorry, I was talking to the kids while I was doing my makeup, but you know y'all ain't gonna hear all that. Y'all ain't gonna hear all that. So just dipping into that and making sure that I get that all over my crease. Try to get my little wing going and make it look cute, ladies. Blend, blend, blend. Alright, so now I'm going to be pulling out another brush from the Jeffree Star collection. I'm not entirely too sure the number of this brush, but I am going to be going into Purple Punch, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. Just blend that out, ladies. Just blend, 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 blend. Put it all over the lid and blend it into the Foreplay. Just a little bit into the crease so it can just blend on out and kind of get smoky, like a purple smoke. Alright, so we're going back into the palette, and I'm going to get Bite Me. And I started to use one of these Farrah brushes, but it didn't really work out. So, you know, this is a pressed shimmer pigment. So basically what I did is I used my fingers and put it all over my lid. It was a lot more easier that way. It just didn't work out with that Farrah brush. So we're going to get that all over the lid so we can be popping. Bite Me is a nice little glitter shade. It has like purples and blues in it. Super cute. Alright, now I'm just going into that Farrah brush that didn't work out, but we're going to blend it into the crease so that way we don't have any harsh lines. So now I'm going to be going into oral, and I'm going to be putting that into my inner corner, so that way it can be, you know, brighter and just a little more popping. You know how we do, ladies. Got to have that bright inner corner. And oral is a light purple with pink shimmers in it with blue shimmers in it as well as the Bite Me, but just a lavender shade, which is brighter, which is really, really cute. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face off the camera, line my eyes, and put my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. This is the finished look. I went on and lined my eyes, put some lashes on, you know, highlighted, bronze, and concealed. And so this is the finished look using the Mini Breaker palette by Jeffree Star. And I'm really, really happy and pleased with her. She matches me today because of my top. Got on purple and blue and stuff. Ooh, 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 super, super cute. So I'm excited. How do you guys like the look? Let me know in the comments area if you like this look. Yes, so I did pick up the Mini Breaker from him, but I did not pick up the Jawbreaker palette. That was a little out of my price range, but that I'll be picking that up probably in the next haul because it is really pretty and it has all those fun colors, so you can be playing and making all these looks. So I'm really, really excited about that. But this was really, really, really nice, and as you can see, the colors just blended out really, really great. So I'm happy about that. Yeah, so that's all I have for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine.